Hi, my name is William Fielder, and during this video I will introduce and demonstrate a precision irrigation system that I call 3D Precision Irrigation. As you can see, the controller is mounted to a 4x4. It monitors the buried, vertically stacked moisture sensors, and based on their measurements operates a solenoid valve that connects the drip emitters to an elevated water storage tank. I will now remove the controller's cover and further explain how it operates. For this model, which includes a dry period countdown, irrigation is delayed after the sensors report that the soil is sufficiently dry to begin irrigation. This stage is represented by the red LED, which is located here. After the 5-second demonstration countdown period expires, the red LED will go out, the solenoid valve will open, and the blue LED, located just above the red, will light and will remain lit for as long as the irrigation cycle continues. I will now turn on the controller. Once a sufficient amount of water reaches the upper moisture sensor, the yellow LED, located just above the blue, will light and irrigation will continue until a sufficient amount of moisture is detected at the bottom sensor, at which time the solenoid valve will close, the blue LED will go out, and the green LED, located just above the yellow and representing the lower moisture sensor, will turn on. This model was developed for plants, such as succulents, that require the soil to remain dry for a period of time before irrigation begins. The dry period is normally measured in days, but should a sufficient amount of moisture be detected at either sensor during this time, due to rain or a broken pipe, then the countdown is canceled, the red LED will go out, and one or both of the LEDs representing the moisture sensors will light. The controller will then monitor the state of the sensors until both report that the moisture content of the soil surrounding them is sufficiently dry to initiate a new irrigation cycle. The expert controller is programmed to properly respond to any anticipated event. This feature eliminates the need for any wireless or wired device to manage the plants, whether they be on a farm or in a garden bed. The buried moisture sensor array is comprised of at least 2 vertically stacked moisture sensors. The lower sensor is located at the base of the plant's root ball, and the upper sensor is located halfway to the surface. The soil moisture content thresholds to turn the solenoid valve on and off are preset in the controller and are specific to the type of plant that is being monitored. Unlike other irrigation controllers, this system is entirely data-driven and doesn't require any timers, connected rain gauges, or internet-connected weather services to guess when it's time to begin or end an irrigation cycle. Thank you for watching.